Are you kidding me?
Happy birthday!
Oh my God, what?
Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? So in today's video, as you guys can tell, I am surprising Matthew with an entire office room decor makeover. I am so excited about this. He has been talking about wanting to fix his room up for so long now. And he's like, I want a couch, I want this, and I want that. And I've been taking mental notes of the things he's been saying that he's been wanting for his room. And I got all this stuff. So today we are gonna make all the furniture for it. I'm so excited about it. I hope he loves it. It is 11:45 p.m. I only have 2 hours to make some stuff, and then I'm going to Adeline's for her birthday party, and then right after that I'm gonna be back in this room making more stuff for him. It's a lot of freaking furniture. He's gonna be home around 7:45 p.m. so that really only gives me about 6 hours to put all of this together. So I need to work really fast. I'm gonna show you guys what his room looks like right now. But yeah, oh my god, okay. So you walk into his bedroom, and this is the state of his bedroom. It is very, very open. There's not a lot of stuff in here. We originally had my desk in here as well. I actually took my desk out, so it's no longer in here, but there is a bunch of stuff in here. So this is the state of the room. I don't know if I'm gonna change anything on this side. I might just like tidy it up a little bit, but most of the stuff that is gonna be in this room is going to be on this side of the room. We're gonna put a couch, we're gonna have 2 side tables, and then we're gonna move these guys out as well. I need to find a new place for Shark's cat litter. It's really gross. I think I'm gonna throw this guy away because Shark literally never ever uses it. It's really old. I have like this big old painting that I wanna hang up, and then we have like a bar cabinet because he always has to go to the kitchen to grab a cup of whiskey. So I figured I might as well like leave it in here, like maybe even have an espresso machine in here so then it's espresso and coffee so he doesn't have to like leave the room while he's working. We have a lot to do, so let me get started. Oh my god, here's all the freaking furniture I have for Matt's room. There's so much stuff. I've been convincing him that this is stuff for the patio when really this is actually stuff for him. He hasn't looked too closely at anything yet, thank God, but if he was actually looking at it, he would see that this is a couch back here, this is a bar cabinet, this is a table. I don't even know what that guy is, but I'm pretty sure it belongs in here. And there's just a bunch of other stuff that actually belongs in his room. So as of right now, I'm gonna unpack all these boxes and then bring it inside his room. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Holy cow. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this by myself? She's really heavy. Like, not kidding. Why am I wearing a sweater? It is hot, 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 hot. Whoa. Oh my god, that took 5 trips because your girl is a weak. I'm so weak. I really need to work on it. But I have my little drill and hopefully this will make things go by a lot faster. But honestly, no guarantees.
Hours later.
Hi, little update here. I went to Adeline's little birthday thing where we learned how to pole dance.
Push it through. Now you have space.
It was so much fun. It was so much work, but my camera died, so I didn't bring it along with me. We're back putting together Matt's furniture for his room. And it's like now dark. Yeah, let's do it. Yay, I did it. It looks so freaking cute. The only thing I really hate about it though is that there's this giant gap in the middle, so I feel like you can see stuff inside of there. But other than that, it is so cute. I can't believe I made this. It took way too freaking long. Now I need to work on the couch, and I don't even know how I'm gonna make all this stuff because Matt's gonna be home pretty soon, but I'm hoping I at least get the couch done. Zoe, watch out. I'm burning up so much I had to change again. Holy cow, it is so hot in here. I'm an expert at putting together IKEA stuff. This thing is from Target and is the most confusing thing ever. Doesn't make any freaking sense. No sense. Yay! It's done! Woo! Woo! We did the couch. We did the couch. We did the couch. We did the couch. Oh, Zoe's excited too. She's playing. We have more stuff to do, so I'm gonna grab the side tables that I'm gonna put in here. They're big, they're massive, they're heavy, and my hair looks crazy. Okay, I'm like super hyper because now all of a sudden I'm excited that I finished everything. I honestly did not think this couch would get done because I couldn't figure it out at first. We finally figured it out. Now it's time to bring everything else inside. Ah! Yay! Ah, yes. Alright, sorry Zoe. Okay. Guys, I am so smart. This should be like the middle table in the middle of the room. Oh my god. I am so smart. I'm really smart.
Trust me, I'm like a smart person.
Is that weird? Little update here. I bought Matt this beautiful painting. It's very abstract, modern, but like very adult. And I felt like it would be perfect for his studio. And I'm currently opening it. It's huge. I'm hoping to hang this up by the time he gets home. This is from Anthropology. It is very pricey, but luckily I got it on sale when they were having a Black Friday sale. So I got it for 30% off. He saw this in real life while we were shopping one day and he was like, oh my god, that is so cool. So I made a mental note and then picked it out for him. But it looks like I just got it opened. It got a little bit of a beating, which I'm really surprised about because they shipped it so well. There's so much packaging. Okay, we have the painting inside the room. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hire me. Y'all need a handy girl. That's me. Okay, problem. Why does it look crooked? I need to get my leveler. Yay! It looks so good. Okay, so now I need to do the finishing touches. I don't know if I can do that before he comes here, but I tracked him. He has not left work yet. Yay! I just need to clean up this room now. Oh my god. Oh, come on. I need to show you guys something. I scratched the table. Can you guys see there's a sticker right there? Like, yeah, you can see it, but holy cow. Oh my god, it's blurry, it's blurry. Stop it. But holy freaking cow, that sticker works so freaking well. Matt bought this painting from Target, but he hasn't hung it up yet. This is kind of what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna put it up right here, which is really freaking high, but it's because he has this shelf right here that he wanted to put up as well. So I feel like I should just do it for him because I don't know when he's actually gonna do it. He is literally gonna be home in like 15-20 minutes. So I need to do this really, really fast. So we have mounting hardware and instructions, upset stomach diarrhea. Mounting hardware and instructions, upset stomach diarrhea. Okay, why can't I get this open? I have no time. This is how we're gonna do it. There is a hole right here. So I'm gonna mark right there. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna mark it there. And then I'm just gonna cheat and do it this way. One down, another to go. That actually looks pretty cool. Okay. Oh my god, guys, he's here, he's here. Okay, oh my god, he's here. Oh my god, oh my god. face me, but don't look. Close your eyes
My
super
eyes are
tight.
closed. Yes, wait, you're gonna have to guide me.
Okay, okay, okay. Look!
What? Are you kidding me?
Happy birthday!
What? Are you joking me? Oh my god, it looks amazing. Bun.
What?
What did you do? I love it. What? It looks so good. So cool. Wow, I was not expecting that at all. You did not have to do all this. How do I have the best girlfriend, huh?
Do you like it?
I love it.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
You guys, even Shark loves this room. Look at her, she's just hanging out in here with us. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything that I purchased for Matt down below so you guys can check it out if you guys liked any of the pieces. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, comment down below who your dream celebrity crush is. I'm very curious. Mine is Theo James, but Matt Fine I'm really happy with. He's my boyfriend, you know. So yeah, let me know who your celebrity crush is. I'm super curious. And make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and TikTok at MissTiffanyMa. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.